Good morning. Today we're going to talk about doing the counting jar. The counting jar is a fun way to practice counting. You can do it with any kind of container. It doesn't have to be a jar. You could use cups, you could use a bowl, any kind of container. And basically what you do is you find some objects that you want to count and put them in the container. So in this container, this cup, I've got some Legos in there. And so you can put them in yourself, or you can ask a grown-up or a brother or sister to put some in there for you. And then you dump them out just like we would do at school. You dump them out and then line them up, because it's much easier to count when things are lined up and not in a big pile. So we would line up our objects, these Legos I have, and then I'm going to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 Legos. It's important to use your finger when you're counting and to touch each one to make sure you get them all. And then we're going to double check. I'm going to count one more time just to be sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 Legos. And so then what you can do after you count out your Legos is you can practice writing that number. So I'm going to write the number 10 right here, a 1 and a 0. 10, we have 10 Legos. You could also, if you didn't want to write the number, or if you weren't sure how to write the number, you could use number cards that are already written, or you could use actual playing cards. Like here I have the number 10 card, so I could put that there to show that I have 10 Legos, or I could keep the, you could write it yourself. So I'm going to put these Legos back and show you another container that I have. So here I have another cup, and in this one I put in some Shopkins that we have at our house. So I'm going to line up my Shopkins, and then we're going to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so again, I'm going to practice writing the number 5 to show that I have 5 Shopkins. So I'll double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 Shopkins. If you're not sure how to write the number, you can ask a grown-up to write it for you, and then you can trace it. So if somebody had already written the 5 for me, I could just trace right over it to practice writing 5. 5 Shopkins. You can put any toys that you have in the containers, whatever might fit. I have one more. I have this bowl with some fun coins in it. I'm going to dump those out and then line them up. You can also count while you're lining up, and if you want to. So I can do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So I started a second line when I got to 10, because otherwise my line would get really long. So when I got to 10, I started again here with 11, 12, 13, and 14. Let's double check. Use your finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 coins. So then I'm going to write a 14, which is 1 first, and then a 4. 14 coins. So find some cups or containers in your house, and maybe some of your toys. Put a bunch in there, dump them out, and count them and see how many you have. Keep practicing counting and have fun.